Sri Krishna said that never give up. A practice makes a man perfect. Another beautiful story. Once a man was passing by when he saw an elephant tied on the side of the road. The person stops there and sees that a rope is tied to the leg of the elephant. The person was very surprised to see that a giant animal like an elephant was tied with only a small rope instead of iron chains. If the elephant wanted, it could easily break the bond of this rope and go anywhere. But for some reason, it was not doing so. That person was very surprised and interested to know why the elephant is not going anywhere. By breaking the bond of this rope, that person asked the Mahout standing nearby that why is this elephant standing so calm and why is it is not trying to run away? Mahavat said when this elephant was small, since then it is tied with this rope. At that time, he did not have enough power to break this bond. He then tried hard to break this rope, but he failed every time. Due to not being able to break the rope even after repeating attempts, he gradually became confident that he would not be able to break this rope. Now that this elephant was grown up, even when he is sure that he will never be able to break this rope. The man was surprised that this mighty animal could not break his bonds just because he believed that he would not be able to do so. Like this elephant, because of our earlier value, we also assume that now we cannot do this work, and because of our own created mentality, we spend our whole life chained in chains.